The only true hoodoo manual, the Holy Bible and its hidden books. Peace and power. This is Lord Augustus. Today I'm making a statement that many will not understand, but the remnant will recognize immediately. There is only one true hoodoo manual, and that is the Holy Bible, including all of its hidden books. I'm not talking about commercialized hoodoo. I'm not talking about superstition, tricks, or marketplace spirituality. I am talking about covenant. I'm talking about the system our ancestors lived by before the word hoodoo ever existed. I'm talking about the laws, the land codes, the purity codes, the timing codes, the prophetic cycles, and the spiritual technology that God himself established. If hoodoo is covenant, then the Bible is the manual. If hoodoo is land, then the Bible is the manual. If hoodoo is lineage, then the Bible is the manual. If hoodoo is responsibility, then the Bible is the manual. If hoodoo is divine order, then the Bible is the manual. Genesis gives you the blueprint. Land, seed, breath, dominion, covenant, and light. The Torah gives you the protocols. How to handle land, how to handle people, how to handle yourself, and how to handle God. The wisdom books teach the internal hoodoo, the tongue, the heart, the mind, the spirit, and the lamp inside the body. The prophets show you the enforcement, how covenant works, how judgment works, how restoration works, and how nations rise and fall based on obedience. The Gospels show you the embodied hoodoo light, authority, binding and loosing, healing, restoration, and the temple within. And the hidden books restore the missing framework, the calendar, the angelic order, the ancestral lineage, the prophetic cycles, and the spiritual technologies that institutional religion tried to bury. This is why Jesus never taught religion. He taught order. He taught light. He taught responsibility. He taught the internal kingdom. He taught the same hoodoo principles our ancestors lived by. When you understand this, you stop looking for power outside yourself. You stop chasing rituals. You stop chasing objects. You stop chasing personalities. You return to covenant. You return to responsibility. You return to the God who breathed into you the same light he commanded in Genesis. The Bible is not a religious book. It is a manual. It is a system. It is a covenant contract. It is the operating system of the remnant. And when you restore the hidden books, you restore the full technology. This is why I say, and will continue to say, there is only one true hoodoo manual, and that is the Holy Bible, including all of its hidden books. If you are ready to return to the original order, to the ancestral covenant, and to the divine intelligence God placed in you, then stay with me, because I will continue teaching the remnant how to walk in the light, how to walk in authority, and how to walk in the covenant that was always ours. Peace and power to the remnant. This is Lord Augustus. I will see you in the next teaching.